Today we're going to be trying the 6725 load in 3 different sizes. First, we have the 3/4 load, 3/4 inch size length. We have the 7/8 size, and we have the 1 inch. I'm going to test each one of these and see how they shoot. Test of 6725 3/4 inch shell, load 6725. Nice smoke. Just so you can see, the shell comes out pretty square. That's the 3/4 load. This is the original shell. There's not much of a crimp to see, but it does come out a little bit. It came right out of the shell real easy. So that's a positive result. Testing the 7/8 shell, load 6725. Nice. Again, the shell popped out pretty good. A little bending out to the sides, but not bad. Here's the original shell. As you can see, not much of a crimp up, but it popped right out of the grenade, no problem. So 3/4 and 7/8 are positive results. Testing the 1 inch shell, load 6725. Wow. I didn't go toward the shell yet, but I had to show everybody that burn mark from the shell where it went off. That's wild. Again, positive results. As you can see, the 1 inch shell popped right out, came right out of the grenade shell, no problem. Good bang for the buck. Just so you can get an idea on the shells, so you have one on the right is the 3/4, one in the center is 7/8, and the one on the end on the left side is 1 inch. I only had one 1 inch shell to test, but you can see the difference between a crimp version and an exploded version. All 3 tests were positive. I could work with any of them. Very good. Follow up on this one shell. Most of the other ones went off as they were bouncing around. This one actually landed and made these marks, and as you can see, they are quite burned on the pavement where the grenade was in between there and blew out on both sides. So a lot of explosive power there.